1052. Item 14.
I'm trying to catch one for 30 miles. So he's about 130. Alright, I'm 1037. He's blacked out. We're taking 630 east on 430. He turned his lights back on. We're slowing down. We're here getting on 630 on the ramp. It's a maroon Toyota Camry, temp tags. Driver, get out of the car!
10-4.
Put your hands up. Get out. Step away from me. Nope, you stay in there.
Okay, I'm with you.
Driver, step out. Face away from me. They've stopped here on the ramp. I've got 4 guns. Face away from me. Walk backwards to me. Walk backwards. Put your hands on top of your head. Keep coming. Keep coming. Get down on your knees right there.
I ain't gonna lie.
Shut up. You knew you were behind me. You blacked out. Yeah, you did. Turn your lights off, bro. I'm not stupid.
I didn't turn away from you.
Yeah, you did.
I didn't know I did.
Stand up.
I'm not gonna.
Oh, you're on some bullshit.
Sir, I don't have nothing on me. Okay. I ain't on no bullshit.
Sit down. Who's my nearest unit? You come on. Yeah. Face away from me when you get out.
Officer, I gotta go.
Face away from me.
Yes, sir.
Walk backwards to the sound of my voice.
It is legal.
Get down on your knees. Put your hands on top of your head. Don't move.
Yes, sir.
Hands behind your back.
Yes, sir.
Stand up.
Yes, sir.
Sit down. Hey, front passenger! Get out of the car with your hands up! I've got 2 detained. I've still got 3 more in the car. Stay in there. Stay in there. I hear you. Stay in the car. Passenger, get out. Walk backwards to me. Keep your hands up. You don't have any weapons or anything, do you? Have a seat on my front bumper. Sit down right there on my front bumper. Rear passenger, step out. One at a time. Come back to me. Come back. Keep your hands out of your pockets. Come here. Come here to me. No, stay where you're at. Sit there on my front bumper. All right, rear passenger, get out with your hands up. Face away from me. Walk backwards to me. Keep coming. Keep coming to me. Keep coming. Keep coming. Hands on top of your head. Down on your knees. Keep actually, yeah. Hands on your back. I didn't have custody.
Hey, what's up, Trey?
What's up, bro? Hey, blame me, unlock your car.
Yeah, you should have left him.
Huh? We'll adjust them here in a second. Sit sideways. Sit sideways. No, just those 5.
Hey,
Watch your foot.
I'm trying to.
1400 off. Keeping 6 miles in there. We have 5 detained. He passed me at 110 at the 4. So I get up behind him. My front radar had him at 130. So I was like, well, I finally turned my lights on as I'm catching up to him. After we take the corner there at the 5, he blacks out on me. I was like, he's running. Yeah. Well, as we take this turn here, he can't drive, so I catch up to him. And as soon as I catch up to him, he puts it on the shoulder. That was a smart decision.